Alright guys, this exercise is the leg press. Now with the leg press, what you want to do is you want to take the weight and release the bar. Make sure you're all safe. And then you don't want to straighten your legs completely. You want a bit of a bend. You don't want to do them, lock them out in this exercise. That's very dangerous. What you want to do is just slowly take the weight down and push it up. Slowly focus on the negative, come down, slowly down, and slowly up. Slowly down and slowly up. That's what you want to do. You want to go to failure on this. Do as many as you can. If you can get a partner to help you in the last few reps, do that. But if you can get to the last two where you're just pushing and you can just about do it, that's good enough. So just concentrate on the negatives. You want to go really slow. With all these exercises, you want to use the negative as the really slow part.